Hey guys, it's Decagon here, and we are going to be continuing on with our he's a private detective, and he was doing stuff with the origami killer, and then there was the woman, and then there was a bob scene bit. I'm pretty sure we play as a new character for this, but yeah, there's this chap here. His face is you got to see a bit of his face last episode because I couldn't pause it while his face was up, which is okay. Tuesday, 8:05 AM, 0.6 inches. What is that? How long his penis is? Haha. I'm sorry. Okay, it's raining, and there's a news bit, and then there's an ambulance, and then there's the police. Fudge the police coming straight from the underground. That's a nice car. Chap. I have no clue what this guy's name is, but I don't care. Why am I shaking? Why the hell was I just shit? I don't understand. Who are you? Okay, out the car we get. Oh well, he's wearing a suit. Is he a detective as well? Okay, so there is this chap here. He's walking. He's not walk. Okay, so I've no clue what we're supposed to do. I guess we should talk to this policeman over here.
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Please step back.
Norman Jayden, FBI.
Oh my god, he's FBI. Norman Jayden. Okay, that's his name.
Yeah, of course.
Norman Jayden. And he's an FBI child.
Check. You can pass.
Oh, thank you so much for letting me pass, chap. Blake.
Lieutenant Blake.
Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
He's here somewhere. What? Where the fuck is he? You bitch. I'm sorry. Right, okay, let's... Can we go underneath the tape? Right, so I guess we're looking for this Blake chap. So let's go into this place where there's loads of policemen. Oh, you know, you can stop right away. Oh, those are sexy glasses, man. The fuck are they? Are they fucking...
Video memo recording. Agent 47.
The hell?
Norman Jayden. Tuesday, October 4th, 2011.
What the flipping fudge? How? What R1? What is it? What the hell? Are you some sort of cyber agent? And I took off the glasses. Is that bad? I don't know. Yeah, I think I should put them back on. Just because I look like a badass. Alright. I don't know what the hell even. This guy's a badass. I already like him. Okay, no criminal record.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Oh. Die. Why don't we go and BANG! Something over here. Is this where the car was? Oh no.
Concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body.
Okay. Blake.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake.
Over there. Oh, thanks.
Thanks.
Just take off these. Sorry, was I being quiet there? I'm sorry. I didn't realise. Hopefully I wasn't being quiet. I just thought I was just very interested. Oi, Blake, you bitch!
Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jayden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me to be here. Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place.
Oh, first.
Mike, will you tell that asshole with the...
Right.
Well, are you coming, Jayden? So,
Right.
what happened? Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now.
Oh.
Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the origami killer.
Oh, not the origami killer.
Has the time of death been established?
Hi.
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look.
Because you're fucking
Any
smart.
news on a coroner?
You smart.
He's on his way, Lieutenant.
You real smart.
We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Fucking hell, it's a child-friendly channel, Blake, you big bastard bitch.
Listen, you look busy. Do you mind if I have a look around? Be my guest.
Right, what
Hey,
we're doing.
Jayden, you come and see me if you find anything, okay?
Alright, mate.
We're on the same team now.
Oh, we're on the same team, aren't we? Alright, let's put back on my glasses. Be a badass. Die! I swear, Ross, if you just spoiled it for me, I'm gonna suck your intestine right off. I'm gonna suck your intestine right off. Basically, Ross, stop fucking telling me shit. Let's look over here. Shut up! Yeah, you do, because I'm just becoming Jayden or whatever his name is. So just stop talking to me. You on what? Yeah, stop spoiling it, you knob! Right, so there's a thing over here. Down. So look at this. Object memorized.
Just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Oh, good chance that they're the killers, so how do we follow them? Where do they lead? Which way do they go? Is it this way?
Ari comment. Traces of blood detected on the fence behind the railroad line. The
Blood on the
report
fence.
indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
Okay. Alright, so we're going up. Oh! Jayden, you retard. You just fell over. Okay. I thought for a fucking FBI agent you'd be able to climb up a fucking muddy hill. There we are. Now, Jayden, you're gonna slide down it when you come back. Okay. Hold square. And X. And R1. And L1. There we are. More, are you badonkling me? Alright, R2. L2. Oh god. I don't even edit my videos, mate. So. Alright, so we're following the footprints. I was allowed to show Ethan's bum, wasn't I? Okay. I was wondering that as well. What? Yeah, when he was in the shower, and I literally said in the video, "Oh God, I don't know if I'm allowed to show that." But oh well. Are these tyre tracks?
Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line.
Maybe the killer's car. Oh, that's dandy. Where are we going now, though? Are we still following the tracks? Yes, we are. This Norman chap is very dandy. Hey, you knobhead! Splash me! I'm a fucker. He does the thing I always do, Ross. When the car drove past, he did the get it right up your thing. Get it right, run you. Yeah, I don't know where I'm supposed to go now, though. Is it this fence thing? No, Ross, where do I go now? I don't know. Yeah, I found the tyre tracks. Do I go back down now? I did follow the tyre tracks. They don't lead anywhere anymore. Right. Let's go back down then. Oh fucking hell, it's a quick time event. Can we not just slide down? What, Ross? It's closing today sometime. I tried to make 2 videos on it, and they're both fucked up. So, I haven't made one yet. I might make another one today. Probably not, because I'm just probably going to sweat off this game all day. What do I do now, Ross? Do I go and talk to Thingy again? Blake, or whatever his name is. I don't know, I've searched up the hill. Where's he gone? No, I'll go there now. Oh, you die, firing A. What is it? Where's the? Is it like at the back? Is there anything around here? Is there anything behind it? Why is there nothing behind here if we're allowed back now? Oi, Blake! I may have found some stuff, I have no clue.
I'm heading
No.
back to the office. You staying?
Should I, I'm gonna stay, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna have another look around if you don't mind. Take all the time you want.
Oh, it is, mate. Right. Tent. Oh, there! You mean that tiny little bitch? Oh wait, there's another thing there. What's this?
Area comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Okay, so... let's go inside the, tent then.
Harry's
Is this where the
comment.
body is or
Victim
something?
is lying on his back. No visible signs of violence.
No visible signs of violence, R1. Oh god, I fucking
Think I've
left
seen
my
all there is to
accident.
see.
I don't think you have, Jayden. Up and down. Or down and up, sorry. Ah, there's an origami fucking
A
thing.
small origami figure in the right hand. Fingers were probably closed after the time of death.
Down.
The victim is Jeremy Bowles.
Jeremy
Declared
Bowles.
missing 5 days ago. See reference file.
Okay, that one.
An orchid was placed on the victim's chest.
Orchid on the victim's chest. Okay,
Superficial
Alright, yeah.
wound on the right thigh. The blood is identical to that on the fence.
oh. So it wasn't the killer's blood on the fence, it was this guy's. Okay.
His face is covered with mud.
Face
like
is
the
covered
other
with mud.
victims.
Alright. There's nothing else in the tent. Might as well check around once more. I think we'll check the train tracks again. Ross, my guy said I've seen all there is to see, or I think I have. Can I leave now? Oh no! What's this? No! I've just found this at the end. It's a cat.
Dead cat. The FBI doesn't keep files on dead cats.
It's a dead cat.
Yeah.
Great. Is there anything else? Keep checking. I might have to check around the back of the train tracks as well. Yep. Okay. Let's keep going down the tracks. See if there's anything else. Oh, is there anything else? I have no badonkel. No, there is something else.
Harry
Yeah.
comment. Traces of blood on the
Traces
railroad
of
track.
blood.
Analysis confirms
Confirms it's from the victim. Okay. Is there anything else? Is what I wonder. No, I don't think there is. Take off my glasses. And then let's go. No, I didn't have PS3. No, I was gonna get that in the bundle, but I didn't have enough money. So you've got heavy rain because it's much better, I think. I need to... Where do I go now to find this, to find the chappie? Blake. Is he back underneath there? Is he back past the thing? I need to... Right, so Blake's not out here. I don't know where he is. I think I'm fucked. 'Cause I don't know where Blake is. Maybe I'll put back on my glasses, I can find Blake. In case there's something around here. Can I go back underneath here? No, I can't. Can't speak to this guy over here. No. Sorry guys, back in a minute. Alright guys, sorry about that. That was just some undandiness. Right, let's resume. Need to find fucking Blake. Where's the fucking Blake bastard? Oh, there's a new clue.
Sample of no interest.
Sample of no interest, great. Fucking damn it. Where the fucking actually is Blake? I need to know where the fuck this bastard is. He said he was going back to his office. He said he was going back to his office and asked me if I wanted to take another look, and I said yes. So does that mean he's left? I'll have a look. I've got, yeah, he might have gone, because I'm pretty sure Norman said, yeah, Norman said that before he stopped by his office, and that probably means he's not here. So why not? Let's try going back into our car. That hopefully will work. Yes. Finally, I've been walking around there for too many wows. Okay. Oh, alright. That means go out. I thought I was going to put seatbelt on, but apparently not. Right then. I don't think anything important will happen next, because I may stop the video just after Norman pulls off. Okay. If this is a character change, then I'm going to stop the video here. Yes, it is. We're going back to Ethan. Okay, so, yeah, guys, that was the third episode of my Heavy Rain playthrough. I do hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe for more, and peace. poo poo.